IELTS speaking tips. Same question, different band scores. Do you prefer modern architecture or traditional styles? Why? Band 5. Answer.
I prefer modern architecture because it looks more clean and simple. Many modern buildings are comfortable and have better facilities. Traditional buildings are nice too, but sometimes they feel old-fashioned.
Why is this a Band 5? Fluency and coherence. Basic ideas, limited development. Lexical resource, simple, repetitive vocabulary. Grammar, mostly correct, but very basic. Pronunciation, generally understandable. Typical of a Band 5, safe, short, and a bit boring like plain toast. Band 7.5 Answer.
I tend to prefer modern architecture because it focuses on functionality and open spaces. I like how modern buildings often use natural light and sustainable materials. That said, I still appreciate traditional styles for their cultural value and history.
Why is this a Band 7.5? Fluency and coherence, clear structure with contrast. Lexical resource, good range. Functionality, sustainable, cultural value. Grammar, mostly error-free with some complex sentences. Pronunciation, clear and natural. Typical of a Band. 7.5, balanced, flexible, and confidently human. Band 9 Answer.
I slightly prefer modern architecture because it reflects how people live today, efficiently and sustainably. I'm particularly drawn to minimalist designs that maximize space and natural light. However, I think traditional architecture plays a vital role in preserving cultural identity, so an ideal city would combine both styles.
Why is this a Band 9? Fluency and coherence. Effortless, well-developed ideas. Lexical resource, precise and nuanced vocabulary. Grammar, wide range, fully controlled. Pronunciation, natural and expressive. Typical of a Band 9. Thoughtful, polished, and mildly impressive at dinner parties. Now it's your turn. How would you answer this question? Drop your answer in the comments, and I'll let you know if it sounds more like Band 5, 7, or 9. And don't forget to subscribe for more IELTS speaking hacks. Thank you. Please like and subscribe. See you tomorrow.